How to change YouTube profile picture on phone iOS and Android in 2021. Others I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. And yeah, it works on both Android and iOS, so please make sure you watch the full video tutorial. And then what you have to do, you have to click on your profile picture in the top right corner and then go to your channel. When you go to your channel, here you can see the edit channel and manage videos. Under your username, you have to click on the edit channel, and here you can see the this camera like button in the your username. So uh, in the middle with your username, so when you click on this user profile picture, so when you click on the this camera like button, then it is saying that take a photo or choose from your photos. You can take a photo, but choose from your photos. You can click on the choose from your photos. Let's see, I choose any of these photos. You can choose any of the photos. Let's see, I choose this friendly logo, and then you can click on the select, and then you can click on the save button. And after that, here you can seeing that it is changed. So that's basically that how you can change YouTube profile picture on phone in iOS and Android. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.